Hello, my friends. Thelindabradley from Princess House. Happy New Year to you. So I come to you tonight to share with you the best opportunity that Princess House has, and that is the consultant opportunity. So listen, it's January 1st, 2023. I've been doing a lot of reading and I've been hearing a couple things. So I have two statistics for you. Number one, they said that right now over 70% of people are struggling to pay their bills because of the increase in gas, natural gas, and groceries. And if you've been out, you know it. It's ridiculous how much they're charging. Number two, they said that 43% of people are planning on getting a second job or a side gig is what they're calling it in 2023 to help make those bills go away. So this is what I want to tell you. You already know Princess House. You already love Princess House. You love to cook. Why not do what you already know to help make some money? So I want to show you what the Princess House opportunity actually means and what it costs for you to get involved. First of all, we have brand new catalogs. It's always exciting when the new books come out because there's new products and everybody wants them. So you're going to have an opportunity to share with all of your friends and family. When you sign up to be a Princess House consultant, there is a kit that you get because you have to have some products to be able to show it. So let me show you what comes in the kit first. There are different items. They are useful for you to do your presentations, to cook in, to make videos, whatever you want. This is part of our healthy essentials set. This is our 10-inch skillet. And then to go along with that, we have one of our silicone tools. This is the flat turner. And one of our knives. So this is the 5-inch Santoku knife, and this comes with a lifetime warranty. If I can fit it back in here. All right, we also will send you one of the most popular items. These are the Vita Sana collection. These have this special little seal on here, and you can cook without using any added fats or oils. So much healthier for you. You will also get one of this is called the Vita Sana Produce Keeper, and it does keep your produce so fresh. You'll never have to throw it out. One of the brand new items, they actually just added this to the kit, is part of our Princess House Pantry. So this is a great way to help you keep your foods organized and fresh. And then my personal favorite in the collection is the immersion blender. So this is a 4-in-1. It has 4 different attachments. This first one is a masher, so it's great for doing your mashed potatoes. The second one, and they're so easy to just put on and off, is the whisk. It also comes with the beaker, so this is good to make homemade whipped cream, homemade mayonnaise, eggs, anything that you need to. The third one is a blender, and this again you can use to make smoothies. A lot of the times if you make soup, butternut squash, things like that, you can use it right in the pan. And then this one may be my personal favorite of the whole collection. I used it so much over the holidays. This is the food processor, mini food processor. So you can use this to chop, your vegetables, or I did it for a lot of baking, all the nuts and everything that I needed. So this entire collection, these 7 pieces that I just showed you, the immersion blender, the produce keeper, the food storage, the Vita Sana 2.5 quart, the silicone spatula, the knife, and the 10-inch skillet. If you were to buy every one of those pieces, it would cost you over $700. But the first discount you get being a consultant is the kit costs you just $199. That's it. The best is if you don't have $199 right now, you can start with just $75. Put a $75 deposit down. The company will still send you your kit, and then you can start making money. And you can pay off the rest either by sending in the money at a later date or just sending in your first party. So I want to let you know that you can do this, and we have some extra prizes for you. We always have great specials for our customers and our hostesses, so we're going to have great specials for you. So here's the deal. As a brand new consultant in January, when you start the business and you send in your first $750 in orders, you are going to get one of our brand new pieces. This is our 10-inch nonstick skillet, absolutely free. That is one of the first gifts that you're going to get in business by being a Princess House consultant. Now, I have some other things that I want to show you, but I want to answer some really quick questions. People say to me, what's my quota? What do I have to do? So we don't really have quotas. You need to send in 1 $350 order every 3 months. That's 12 weeks. And as long as you do that, you will stay active. Staying active means that you can order the samples. So this is another benefit. If you love Princess House, being a consultant might be the best decision you ever made. Because when new products come out, you get to order them at the sample prices. Now, we are early in January. We are January 1st. These samples that I'm going to show you end on January 6th. So you need to sign up by then to be able to take them. And your kit does have to be paid in full for you to get the samples. If you are having any questions, just reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. If you're just ready to go right to my website, www.princesshouse.com/lbradley, and choose Start Now. But let me show you some of the new products that you can get at huge discounted rates. So this is part of our brand new collection. This is called our Sealed Tight collection. It is taking the place of Fantasia Fresh. And so this is a whole 3-piece set. And I think in the book it's, see, they're so brand new, I don't even know all the prices just yet. Maybe $99.95. But as a consultant, you're gonna be able to get this sampled, and I think it's $34.95. The next set that I wanna show you is in the same type of product, but these are the rectangular ones. These are a set of 2. I think these are $79.95 in the book, and they are $24.95. I might be confusing my prices, but what I wanted to tell you is the prices are really, really good. Also, we have new Marbella, and these are the new pieces, the luncheon plates and the mugs. You can get a set of 4 luncheon plates and 4 mugs for just $49.95. But hang on. Don't go anywhere, because this is the one you're going to want. One of our brand new items, that is a Hostess Special. We've been waiting for this to come back. It is our double griddle in the non-stick. It is not in the regular catalog yet. It is a Hostess Special right now. But as a consultant, you can get this for just $79.95. So these are some of the incredible offers that you can get when you join Princess House. $350 every 3 months. As long as you send that in, you're considered active. You get to order the samples and all of the different things that are going on. Keep this in mind. We offer great customer specials every month. It makes it easy for you to offer it to other people because you're giving them great value. We have layaway. We're the only party plan company that does it. And that doesn't come out of your pocket. That's a company sponsored. So you can sell your products. People can buy them on layaway, make payments, what they can afford, and then they get what they love, and it's a win-win situation. When you share it with your friends, you get to give your friends special offers too, because our hostesses always walk away with the best deals. So when you ask your friends to share with their friends, then they're going to be able to take advantage of them. We are getting ready. Well, no, we're here. We're celebrating our 60th anniversary this year. How many companies do you know that have been around for 60 years? But there are still so many people that have not heard of Princess House. So it gives you the opportunity to share it with them. I can teach you how you can do it from the comfort of your own home. I do videos, I make posts, and I can teach you how to do it. Look, if I can do it, I'm over 60 now, I can do this, I can teach you to do the same thing. This could be the best $75 investment you have ever spent. Now, I know some of you might be like, oh, I'm not sure if I can do it. Oh, I'm a little shy. Oh, here's my question to you. Do you need extra money? Is this something that can help you? Because I can teach you how to get over all of that. And there's a saying that says to get something that you never had before, you have to do what you've never done before. So don't go get a job where you're only going to make minimum wage. Stay in your home, make videos, offer it to your friends. It's an amazing opportunity that you can take advantage of. All right, $75 can start your business. This is my 39th year with Princess House. I have been on, I couldn't even tell you how many all-expense paid vacations. I can tell you I've been to Hawaii 9 times. I've been to Alaska twice. I've been to Las Vegas probably 8 times. The Caribbean cruises, like, it's amazing, this company. And I want you to be a part of it. I could keep it all to myself, But you know what? I love being able to share with others. I was able to be a full-time stay-at-home mom with 4 children. I was the Girl Scout leader, the Boy Scout leader. I drove for the American Cancer Society for 30-some years. I got to live life my way. Now that my kids are grown and gone and I have grandkids, I get to help babysit my grandkids. What greater pleasure and blessing is that you can do? All right? Questions, reach out to me, thelindabradley@gmail.com. If you're ready to go, just go sign up. www.princesshouse.com/lbradley. You can start with just $75, but remember your kit does need to be paid in full, the $199, to be able to order your samples. Let me help you. You already love our company. You already love our products. What is stopping you? This is the year to do it. All right? I'll see you soon.